Hey guys, sorry about the wind. It's going nuts. Let's go up, take a look at the motor bay, and throw some degreaser in it, clean it up a little bit before I start taking things apart. I kind of want to show you my setup that I have for the gantry crane. I've got it set up where I can lift the boat, so that'll be another video. Alright, come on, let's check it out. Okay, I don't know if you can see that very well, but that's the engine bay, hot water heater, the back of the boat. We're going to get down in there and take some better pictures of it. I'm not sure you can see it, but there's water all in that little bit in here. I'm going to empty that out into here, into the middle bay, so it'll leak out the hole, go into the bucket, and then try to get all the water out of the center. And then I'm going to spray it down with some degreaser. Let's see how this works. Alright, this is where we're at so far. Engine bay. Just spraying some degreaser in it. Trying to wipe it up a little bit. I'm going to unhook that water heater. It's a 2.5 gallon Titan. Tiny Titan. I'm going to see if it works. I doubt it will. But we're just going to keep spraying degreaser in it. Keep wiping it down. See if we can't get it white again. Stay with me. Alright, let's take this hot water heater out and this water tank. Let's do it. Well, that was easy enough. Alright, let's try to take this hot water heater out. Or I mean the water tank. Got some water in it. Looks like it's been repaired though. I'm gonna get a new one anyway. Sucks having that water in there. Okay, as you can see, it's out of there. We got a whole bunch of room now. I'm going to empty this water out, pull the plug and let it drain out so I can start taking this stuff apart. I'll get back with you. Hey guys, I'm going to end this video right here. Still working on the engine bay, getting it all cleaned up. I'm going to take the waste tank out, the water tank out, replace both of them, replace the pumps, replace the hoses. Yeah, so we're just going to get this all cleaned up, get it painted, stick everything in back brand new. I don't think I'm going to take out the fuel tank, but we'll just have to see. It looks like it might be a job. So, hey, if you're here for the first time, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Share the video. Please tell me what you think. Tell me what I should do, what I shouldn't do, and if I'm doing okay. I need a pat on the back. Alright guys, I'm loving it. We'll see you next time.